What's up? What's up, my family? It's your girl, Ty the Natural, and I'm back with another video. So on today, we are going to be trimming this hair, honey. It has been 8 months since I trimmed my hair. So it is definitely time to trim these strands. So if y'all want to see how your girl got all of this, then just keep on watching. All right? What's up, guys? So we are about to get into this hair. So as you can see, my hair is flat twisted, and I know my hair looks horrible. I wasn't able to basically moisturize it the way I wanted to because those clip-ins had all of my hair covered. So it was really hard getting to my scalp and to my hair, but I am going to be taking some conditioner and some water, and I will be applying it to each section, or just the sections that I feel that are really dry. And you never want to handle your hair when it's dry. You want to always apply some type of moisture. So conditioner and water will be our moisturizer today. And I am going to slow it down here and there when I get ready to trim each section, just so you can see up close and personal what I'm doing. Now, when you are going to trim your hair, make sure that you are using a pair of shears. Never cut your hair or trim your hair with scissors, because that does not get rid of the split ends. All that does is raise the split ends up the hair shaft, and before you know it, all of your hair or all of that strand will be split. So please make sure that you purchase you a pair of shears, and make sure that you do not cut anything else other than your hair with those shears. Now, a couple ways that you can tell when your hair needs a trim is, let's say you're twisting your hair and you go to coil the ends. If you notice that it's not coiling evenly and you have like some stragglies sticking around, and it basically staying coiled around your finger and it ends up like breaking, it shouldn't do that. Your hair should all move together. So if you have some stragglies, that means that you are needing a trim. Another way to tell is if the ends of your hair thin out compared to the rest of your strands. So if you have a section that is, healthy and thick from the top to the mid, and then when it gets to the end it starts to thin out, then that's an indication that you are needing to trim your hair. So those are just some indications, because usually when you have split ends, it thins out and your ends look straggly and they don't look healthy. So just keep that in mind. hair feels so good. And my hair is not even clean. Like, what is that about? It's like, that's how you know when your trim is good. Good. Okay? Because, baby, this feels so good. Like, my hair feels so good. And here's a tip before we go. That you should trim your hair before you shampoo and condition and deep condition, because you're not going to have to deal with a lot of tangles, and you don't have to worry about accidentally like breaking your hair because of all the tangling and knotting up, because that's what's going to tend to happen when your ends need to be cut, and it makes the washing process so much longer. So remember to trim your hair before you do that, just to make it easier on yourself, okay? And it has been like 8 months since I trimmed my hair, y'all. It's been a minute. So I'll put a little clip down here just so you can see what my hair looked like before when I trimmed it the last time. So this is what it's looking like now. But I love that my hair just feels so much more healthier. So make sure you are checking your ends and keeping them trimmed. I technically went over. I should not have waited 8 months to trim my hair, but I did. I kept putting it off and putting it off. So I did trim off, a nice little amount. So this is the hair that I lost. So that's all the hair that I trimmed off. So I'm glad that all that bad hair is gone and we have nothing but healthy hair left, because there's nothing like healthy hair. You gotta have healthy hair. If you want to grow it, it has to be healthy. And unfortunately, as much as I hate trimming it, I have to trim it in order for it to keep growing healthy. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, guys, so I'm Untitled Natural. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And your girl is out. I'll see you on the next one. All right?